Okay, so Happy New Year to everyone, all our followers and previous customers over the last year. Back once again, ready for another challenging year ahead with a lovely wet and windy start to the year. So we are down here in Brockley on this project. Lads have been in over Christmas, doing a few bits here and there. So big job this one, been brick cleaning all the brickwork back to its natural colour. Got the ground floor left to cut out now, so getting rid of all this horrible sand and cement. And all the window sills and the stonework's in real bad condition on this project. So all of the paint's got to be burnt off everywhere, face filled and made good. Let me show you upstairs because it's in real bad condition up there. So we're just going to try and get a temporary roof put up now this morning. Like I say, this wind and rain's terrible today, so not the start we was looking for, but we move and we carry on. So yeah, all the brick cleaning has been done on there and all been cut out now. All the loose flaky paint's going to need all taken off, all on the string mould all the way through there. I think we're going to leave the burning off on the capitals because they don't seem in too bad condition. So I think we'll do all of the flat areas, restore all of the flat areas and leave the capitals. You can see how bad the condition of the window sills and stuff are up here. So they're all going to need sorting out. Show you upstairs. Right, upstairs. Got a bit more work to do on the brickwork here. Some real heavy staining on the brickwork. So I'm going to get the old doff out again and give that another attempt on there. But all of the stonework again on here is just in real bad condition. So there's going to be a lot of restoration to do on the stonework. It's going to keep us going for a while. This whole bay is going to need completely restoring. I'll show you the bottom of this seal in a minute. But yes, we're going to try and get a little roof put up over here so lads can crack on today, and see what we can get done in the next few days here. Get the rest of this cleaning done, and then we'll get over here and start looking at all of this stonework. Because as you can see, yeah, the stonework and the window sills are in real bad condition. So there's going to be quite a lot of work to do on here. But as always, nothing we can't sort out. So let's get cracking, get this roof up, and we'll show you some more bits and pieces in the next few days. Right, back on another project in Brockley. We've been working on this project for around about the last 6 weeks. So let me just show you what we're doing and how the lads have been getting on this project. So we cleaned all the brickwork, still got to have a final wash down, doing quite a bit of dusty work around it at the moment. So all of the window sill has all been restored now, all of the way through there. Lads came in last week restoring all of the window sills, so they're looking really good now. So we're starting the filling process. All of the corbels, getting all the paint off all of the corbels. All of the bases, they're all going to be restored and made good. Done some repair work to the bottom of the base there. Lads started the filling yesterday, so all of the paint's been burnt off, all of the stonework, it's all been taken back to stone, and we're going to start filling all this. So when we do come to do the decoration, all of the stonework will be perfect as always. Right, let me take you upstairs. So we've still got some more pointing to do on here. We've got the red brickwork to penny roll, but we'll do that once all the dirty dusty work's done. So as you can see, all the lads underway with the filling yesterday. Every single bit of stonework we fill. So as always, all of the jobs and all the painting work's done proper job. Every last little bit of filler will be put onto all of the masonry, all honed in, all perfect and square. So all the paint we've got off all of the capitals now. So once we paint them, we'll get all of them honed in a little bit more. So they're all going to have lovely sharp profiles. All the window heads, all the window sills all been restored up there. So yeah, it's a real big job this. Every single bit of detail was always filled to be recreating all these profiles in. So instead of just painting straight over this and you're losing all your edges, we'll recreate every single piece of nosing so it's all perfect and sharp. And remember, it's always good to see all this on video. A lot of people say, yeah, we took all of the paint off the stonework, you never see it. And that's why I'll video everything so you can see there's no bluffing going on any of our jobs. It's all done to perfection. That's what customers like to see. A video of it before, halfway through, and then after, so you can see how good it's looking. So again, all of the filler work's all been done on their columns now. Again, not easy to do all of the columns, all of the filler work. It's quite a highly skilled job doing all of this filling. People think you just throw a little bit of filler on the stonework and rub it down. It's not like that at all. Any good decorator know how hard and how labour intense this is to do. Taking all of this paint off, getting it back to the stone, and face filling every little bit of stone and making everything perfect and square. So this is just a little halfway through video of how we're getting on this one. Lads will have most of the filling done in the next couple of days. Then it's got to all be sanded down, so that takes another 2-3 days to sand everything down. Then it'll have a mist coat. Then it all needs filling again and rubbing down again. So these sort of jobs on the front of these houses with a lot of these capital details in. These ones here with all of these profiles in, you're probably looking around, it takes us normally around about 6 weeks from start to finish just on the decoration work alone, a lot longer than doing the brick restoration. So we're finding we're getting a lot of this work at the moment. We're getting more of this decoration work than we are pointing, getting a real good name in the decoration sector for our masonry work. So we're getting inundated with a lot of masonry work as well, so it keeps the lads busy. So there you go, that's just a little update of how we're getting on our Brockley project. So as always, if you'd like a free quotation for any services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'll be more than happy to assist you as always. Thank you very much. Okay, so this is an update video of our project we've been working on in Brockley for the past 7 to 8 weeks. So everything's done now, just handing over their project to the customers. They're going to do the window work themselves, so the sash window repair work themselves. So I'll just give you a walkthrough of everything we've done. So it pretty much used to look like this house next door. I will put some before videos of this project so you can see how this one looks. So brick cleaned all the brickwork just with a doff machine, so a very mild brick clean on all of the brickwork. Then we've flush pointed all of the London stock brickwork, and then just done a nice penny roll detail on all of the red brickwork. So what else we did on this project, like I say, if you scroll back to the previous videos, we burnt every single bit of paint off all of the stonework, restored all of the stonework, so all of the paint has come off all of the capitals, all of the cornice work's all been stripped back. We restored all of the window sills upstairs, so all the window sills will take you upstairs and show you all the nosings all been restored. But yeah, the decoration work once again has come out amazing. All inside the porch, it's very shadowy here. Every single bit has all been skimmed. So I'll take you downstairs and show you that too. Shadowy up here. Let's go over this section. Again, all the detail on all the stonework, all the capitals restored, all the columns, all the profiles lovely and sharp. Upstairs, just chatting to the customers then, they're absolutely over the moon with everything. It's nice to see the sun for a change actually. But right, so up here, all of the window heads, all of the pointing's all been done through there. All the window reveals all nice and square now. All of the window sills, all of the sill here was all completely restored, and then obviously filled and made good. So the customers now just doing all the woodwork themselves. So, like I say, once again another perfect finish to the stonework and brickwork as always. So I will get some more videos of this once the woodwork's all been decorated and the scaffold's down, because it's going to look amazing before and after. Photos and videos of this. Just show you downstairs as well. Tight squeeze. See all of the window sills there, all been restored. Everything's all made good around here, and then all around the inside of the doorway. Okay, we're down here in Brockley in southeast London. This is our project all completed now, so the transformation from start to finish on this project is absolutely incredible. A lot of man hours have gone into this to get it to the standard it is now. So let me give you a talk through of everything we've done. So brick cleaned all of the brickwork just with a doff machine, so I've gone for a very mild brick clean on here. Once all the brickwork was cleaned, we've done a flush pointing finish to all the London stock brickwork, and then just done a penny roll finish on all of the red brickwork just to give it a nice contrast between the two bricks, so that works really well. What else we done on this project? It looked like this house next door, so all of the stonework was in terrible condition. All of the window sills had to be restored. We had to cut all of the sills back and restore them all by hand. That was top sills and all of the sills here on the ground floor, so I'll just zoom in and show you that. All of that was completely restored. Then what we did was burnt all of the paint off all of the stonework, so every last bit of paint was taken off the stonework. Everything was literally face filled, like I say, all restored and then all decorated in a farrow and bull colour. And the transformation on the colour between the brickwork and the farrow and bull colour looks fantastic. So got an electrician coming this week just to fit a new light for the customer. He had an old cable there, he doesn't want there anymore, so he's getting rid of that, and we're going to fit him a new light there. But hedge is coming down as well next week, so it'd be nice to get some photographs once this hedge has been removed. So they're going to chop all of that down just to expose how nice the front of this house looks. So I've got to say, the transformation once again on this project looks really good. Customers are really happy with how this project came out, and now we're looking at doing the house next door for this customer. Wants exactly the same finish as next door. So again, like I say, with all of the stonework, if you burn everything off and get all of the preparation work done properly, you can see how nice and sharp all of the decoration work looks. You can see how much detail we've got back in now on all of the capitals, the floral details above the front door, all of the moulded work on the cornice all of the way through there, all of the columns just to finish it all off. So that's another project all finished to the highest standard once again. So I will come back and get some nice photos once all of these hedges have been removed, because it will look really nice. And as always, if you've got any questions or you'd like a free quotation, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'll be more than happy to assist you. As always, thank you very much.